Ní le dhá club ó Chailbhaintán treis Craobh Laighean Buaicphointí, as nach chuir na bháin dubh san Bealach Conglais treis Craobh na Héir na Buaicphointí siar Nigel Nócha. Ina gcuinge bhí Baile Átha bar nach raibh áirithe le go dtí seo Craobh Laighean Buaicphointí. É sin ráta ní raibh an deis an dram seo siar a bheith bethe diasca srianta COVID. Na róchtán deis a hapúm líana. Bhí mé hálamh sláán as gón gagant in achram den chiadhar de Craobh Peile A Line.
Kids scored there no I'm Shag Ronan Kelly gus Anna Cúlain Einar Beatha Shigler pass a hurt ag Derry Lanchelesh Dulcan Kaim Magentic Barry Kelly Reach pass for fish Stockens on agus better goal Oscailtí agus Desh her cool Tashid Sausta and Coolina Glacka Colin Moran on Lawn Tossi Shucks a Lordy Aaron Daly Dan Gadera Johnny Kyo knocking and counts on a value a fake around a dear glass mud and stua squealing Shay Fay and counts on a pastel shin two small score all Johnny Kyo here at Buaicphointí agus on the ear to front Beatha.
Well Lumer Cook don Gui Stoke score Intok Shin agus Count Tavet Doug Jen Oma there in Clug Shin on Dara ear up the drone cool agus Count brought Tiva Mud and Stua Coupla Cooley and Imshe ag on Lachuli and Shin.
Oh, Sarko Allenson and Kevin Feely. Agus Baile Átha attack bout one ella. David Hyland and captain. Tall Lewis on to Neil Inkesh. Shakunganish. Niall Kelly and Count Kersheys and pass. Makji Porrick Spillane. Spillane and Makan so very well. Desh Kinter cool. Oh, I get Dara Toshe Kurishak. Ronan Kelly at four and Tangavola get Dara.
Cap up my and Rachel come Keshta Kurishak. God will chase. Capner Gur Bershe Grimer and Lear because Gur Kashes Jacks the lean down. Agus and Ken Anna Russia Shasov Tivas Chis the Carnog. Well, Branner Shaw Reach Pager Vihal.
Just Sarko Allenson Kedor. Agus Kevin Feely, agus Gadera. Dullistach, Shin Kesht, or Kagastach, Gadera, well. Tom Cool Tuka.
Kashi chucked the mark up there. Wadney's more physical, like a bunch of Quinn Emmert, Namara will G. Shorenos.
Gadera K, David Hyland and Son. Fave Ruak, Irene Lesh, pass her to Better will Deshinish, Bealach Conglais chact. Darkatian fella Horda. Okay, Gadera, if he cuss Coristach, agus Shanska Chattanish. Go score in some Chéad Lecha Irthar Buaicphointí agus in some Coolín Gadernach Christopher Heaslip ach Tilla score ag Tastal Riven Brishan Farcane na Heaslip ag Garrett Reid Rowner yes Rowner Clay Tincher Clay tá Jeshan so her Coolo ag Dara Haran Shasnon Bichart in Orier Camach Shin Nada Celine Town ag Adam McHugh Deshan Shussel Colin Moran and fell fucking Yiga get Carrick Tastal Carrick Gadera Taka agus Ivertrigadi Porrick Spillane Din Tave Howlow James McGrath Better will Desh Eric Buaicphointí ag David Hyland and Captain agus Shin Irecht agus score inspirada and son ag David Hyland Counta Hasta con two small correlation Tarnala or Direct.
Yeah, well, Cornick we have Bader touch Coon of Low and pass o Patper Cornick show Tiva one and Forkaji and Tivella vi on Spas and Shin vi Coupla second ag Highland agus show Har and Traston.
Agus Deshery toss Spas na Parker East also Gorish Diganson. Agus an Farchin a Sean Moore Chattany Spader Gold Deshan so or Coolella and Kansas Emil na Carnoga agus Nata Heg Ronan Kelly. And Tarna Cool ag Varsa Cunha agus tá Lewis a Tarnala agus Buile Moorish in Coman.
Yeah, Keen Chachonig on Cool Shin on a slash came and Shin con Brody Osclu Sue Sean Moore or Ouslin and Claire Fad on a pass Trasna. Doramur and Co-Wimmer to Willa Feshkin 3 Balyahi Toshila Feshkin to Rish as a Rishella.
Gadisha Tronona Nihe Law Bealach Conglais Gadisha Angalor Fosta Dun. Desh, give her Lord Parker Jack Kerwin and Counson, Dear Glashtig and Coola, agus an Buaicphointí ge, agus Hastig Shishin Godocha. Baile Átha agus an Lawn Tossi Colin Moran. Sponsor Dave Howlett Shorka, and Gafishtach on Dave Dave Lena. Irit Buaicphointí and Counson, ag Tashtal, agus Haran Shasnon, Bitter score and Clehe. Gulina Drina Fordnance, Sponsor East Oscailtí ag Baile Átha She'd braw sauced Martagastad Orishon pass Clishishak to James McGrath gets Desher Cool against Shine Anish Merkivland and Trio Cool like Baile Átha Willimarin and Wicca Neil Kesh Akarish Launik she'd treat Vicious and all card agus Anna Cool like James McGrath.
Yeah, Anna Cluj Akarish Murdortmer far so fresh a goni ag Baile Átha Din Egan a Yenov on Ruher Shin a Cruhu on Spas
Agus réiteoir ag fear ar an uair tornaí immer sé fiú an cuaig nómad sé tá beáin luúin ní bheith gaine garagónt ní léon ceisfénta nach Baile Átha í rómhahansa scór deiriganta ó achran 3-6 ag Baile Átha í degúlín ag Bealach Conglais.
A couple of the boys were playing back in 2011 and they were lucky enough to get the chance to play in Leinster, and since then it's been a 14-year gap. Our main goal at the start of the year was to change the amount of county titles that I have won, and we were happy enough to do that, but now look, we've other goals at the minute. We're going to try give Leinster a rattle and hopefully we can do our best in it.
The lads themselves, they curtailed the celebrations. They said after the Tuesday, that's it, we're done, we want to go back. And like, we know if this was Naas that beat us in the county final, they'd be eyeing up a Leinster championship, so we're happy to get a run at this and looking forward to the next one.